On today's episode, we are going to show you how to make an American flag cake. For the ingredients, we are going to need whipping cream, strawberry pie filling, strawberries, blueberries, and Twinkies. Let's begin by placing a layer of Twinkies in the pan. We will make 2 rows. Next, we will spread a layer of strawberry pie filling. Apply a generous amount. Now, let's add a layer of whipping cream. Then let's spread it until you get a smooth surface. Now, let's do the star section of the flag. Let's add a layer of blueberries. And finally, for the stripes, let's layer the strawberries in a row. And we are done.